From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, March 30th, 2022. Pretty early here, and I'm in the airport parking lot because, well, that's how we do it. Another sailing of Norwegian Escape has been canceled, making it the third voyage to be impacted after running aground in the DR earlier this month. In a letter to book guests, Norwegian said that the April 2nd sailing of Norwegian Escape is canceled because repairs are taking longer than expected. Book guests have the option to sail on a ship this weekend and receive a 100% future cruise credit or receive a full refund and a 50% future cruise credit of the fare paid. Port Canaveral Port Director Captain John Murray confirmed to local media that the ship is docked at Terminal 5 and is still undergoing repairs. On a positive note, 2 Norwegian Cruise Line ships are returning to service this week. For the first time in 2 years, Norwegian Jewel set sail yesterday in Panama, and after spending the winter laid up, Norwegian Jade is set to resume sailings today in the Mediterranean. Norwegian Jade was the first Norwegian Cruise Line ship to enter service following the cruise industry shutdown in the Mediterranean last fall. That puts 13 NCL ships back in service. Hawaii-based Pride of America is still scheduled to return to service from Honolulu on April 9th. And another Oceania cruise ship is back in passenger service. After 2 years, Oceania Serena welcomed guests on board in Barbados yesterday. The voyage is a transatlantic crossing, including stops in the Caribbean, Atlantic, and Europe. Next month, the ship will kick off a series of Eastern and Western Mediterranean cruises. And cruise line stocks were up on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation up 3%, 19.93. Royal Caribbean up 3.1, 80.95. And Norwegian up 3.1, 21.18. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.